Hello, today I will test and review this multimeter. I bought this multimeter in Lidl and I paid 12 euros, which is around $14. So this is Powerfix PDM 300B1. This multimeter is not bad. Build quality is decent and you don't have that cheap plastic feeling. It have nice size. It is about 16 centimeters long and 7.5 centimeters width, and thickness is about 3 centimeters. Multimeter is powered with a 9-volt battery, and battery is included. It comes with these leads. Leads could be better, but you can always use different leads. This is not auto range multimeter. You need to set up range manually. But for this price you can't accept auto range multimeter. It have all basic functions, so it can measure voltage, current, resistance, drop voltage of diode, continuity test. And it have built-in function generator. Here we can find these two buttons. Left is for turning device on and off, and great feature is that this multimeter have auto turn off function. So after some time device will turn off itself if you forget. On that way it will save battery. With right one button you can hold your readings. My favorite part of this multimeter is this big screen. Digits are very nice and visible, and contrast is great. You can easily see digits from all sorts of angles. At the bottom we can find connectors to leads and also find some important data. For example, this multimeter is Cat 3 and can be used to measure voltages up to 300 volts, which is enough for hobby electronics or to check main voltages. So let's test it. First I will do simple test. I will try to measure voltage of some batteries. First I need to select a right range. I will select range of 20 volts. And this battery is 1.38 volts. Some people love multimeters with more digits and more precision, but for my hobby electronics work this is just fine. This is a rechargeable 9-volt battery which is pretty empty. 5.67 volts. I compared this multimeter with my other multimeters and readings are practically the same. I'm comparing readings with my pocket multimeter I use at work. It can also measure AC voltage. Be careful when measuring main voltages. Make sure to set right range. Next thing I will try is to measure resistance. I will take this resistor and set range. For resistance measurement I love auto range meters, because auto range meter will adjust range automatically. On manual range meter like this one you need to play with ranges to find the right one, and that can take time. Here is continuity test, which works fine. Same setting will also measure drop voltage of diode in millivolts. So let's test it. This regular red LED have 1.7 volts drop voltage, and this diode have around half volt drop voltage. This multimeter also have this function generator, which will produce 1 kHz square wave. To test it, I will connect it to my other multimeter, which can measure frequency. Overall, this is great product for the money. I have many tools from Lidl and I'm very happy with their quality. I highly recommend this product.